thereof. Ladies taken by stage song Hell Star by Drill. Moving up on the outside, the outstanding favorite Miss Dixie Dancer. And nearing the far turn, Miss Dixie Dancer on the outside. And expecting Gaitlin, Hail Star Street Song, and Classical Jade. Rounding the far turn, expecting Gaitlin, moving up on the outside, Hail Star Street Song, and Miss Dixie Dancer moving up on the farther outside, and now grabbing the lead. It is now Miss Dixie Dancer in the lead, followed by Expecting Gaitlin, and Hail Star Street Song, and Classical Jade now moving up on the outside. And at the top of the stretch, the outstanding favorite, Miss Dixie Dancer, followed by Expecting Gaitlin, Hail Star, Classical Jade, it's Sing Song on the farther outside. And into the home stretch and nearing the payoff line, it is still the outstanding favorite, Miss Dixie Dancer. And finally at the payoff line, it's an easy win for Miss Dixie Dancer, Expecting Gaitlin, Classical Jade, Hail Star, and Street Song.